Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today our topic is how you can control your anger. So there are some rules by which you can control your anger by adopting these rules. First rule is think before you speak. By adopting this rule, you will control your anger or you can learn how to control your anger. So first is think before you speak. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to say something you will later regret. Take a few moments to collect your thoughts before saying anything and allow others involved in the situation to do the same. So, the second rule is once you are calm, express your anger. As soon as you are thinking clearly, express your frustration in an assertive but non-confrontational way. State your concerns and needs clearly and directly without hurting others or trying to control them. The next step or the next rule is get some exercise. When you are in anger, you can get some exercise which release your anger. Physical activity can help reduce stress that can cause you to become angry. If you feel your anger escalating, go for a brisk walk or run or spend some time doing other enjoyable physical activities. The next step is or the next rule is take a time out. Time out Timeouts are not just for kids. It's also for adults. Give yourself short breaks during times of the day that tend to be stressful. A few moments of quiet time might help you to feel better prepared to handle what's ahead without getting irritated or angry. The next step is don't hold a grudge. Forgiveness is a powerful tool. If you allow anger and other negative feelings to crowd out positive feelings, you might find yourself swallowed up by your own bitterness or sense of injustice. But if you can forgive someone who angered you, you might both learn from the situation and strengthen your relationship. Next is use humor to release tension. Lightening up can help diffuse tension. Use humor to help you face what's making you angry and possibly any unrealistic expectations you have for how things should go. Avoid sarcasm, though it can hurt feelings and make things worse.